Hi traders, Anthony here. We're just taking a look at the euro dollar right now. We're opening up on the 4-hour chart. We see we have this bearish candle, lower highs. It's broken a weekly and a monthly level here. If you can see my indicators, the little white one is a monthly and we have a weekly. So we've broken to the downside, seeing a bit of a retrace. We go over here to the currency index. See the euro up the top here. This is the euro currency index. Okay, so we can see how it's kind of grinding sideways, slightly bullish. It's traded up into the 100-day moving average here. Trading into resistance. The DXY, the US dollar currency index, pretty strong, as we can see. So we can see definitely there's strength in the US dollar index and weakness in the euro here. Having a quick look at the S&P. Okay, we've had a bit of a sell-off. So we definitely have risk-off sentiment in the market at the moment. This is the VIX, the volatility index down the bottom here. We can see a bit of fear coming into the market with this green candle here. Risk-off at the moment, and I would say euro dollar, we should see some downside. So what I'm looking at is open up the hourly chart. So we've had our one break out of the cloud here, telling us that we have a break of this range. Given the sentiment in the markets at the moment being fairly risk averse, I'd be looking for short opportunities. All right, so if we have a look at this on the 15-minute, we have our two signals. We're always waiting for two consecutive triangles, the same color. So we have our two red triangles on the 15. If you're a little bit conservative, you might want to wait for the second red one on the 30. Okay, so we've got one red on the 30. We've got this break. A retest and fail here will probably give us our second red candle on the 30. And that would be the one that I'm inclined to run with. All right, if you're a bit conservative. Have a look down here at our currency strength indicator. What I'll do, I'll open this up. I'll just brighten this up a little bit so you can see it. So this is our currency strength. Euro, you might want to do this with all of the currencies. See that the dollar is strong and the euro is weak. See this separation here. I mean, that's pretty bearish. For me, I'm looking for the short opportunity here. Okay, we've got a green dot, so we'll probably get a bit of a counter trend back up into retest this low of this range, I would say. So that's how I'm using the indicators. I've got alerts set on the 15 and the 30, these triangles. And what I like to see is, for example, if it's bearish, I want to see two consecutive red signals. If we're getting a red and a green and a red and a green, it's a ranging market and it's not a trade. If we're seeing white candles in here or white bars, it's a ranging market. You can see that more clearly here on the 1-hour chart. Let me just clear all this. See, ranging through here, white bars. So these ranges, we want to look for the breakout of the range. And when we get a combination of two consecutive down triangles, as you see here, on the 15, and then we get the second one on the 30, that's a pretty good signal, right? So I've got, if we have a look at the alerts, and how did I know about this setup? The alert fired, a 15-minute alert on the euro dollar. So this is how, we spot opportunities in the market. So what I'm looking for now, if I just isolate these alerts up here to the current symbol, let me just see what we've got in the alerts column. See how I've got the euro dollar 30-minute trend channel alert. So that's ready to go. I'd be pretty keen on that. So that should give us the retest and fail of this low here, and then it's not a bad signal. Generally the arrow, the second triangle I should say, on a 30-minute is going to be pretty good in most cases. Green dot here, so there's a pullback we could expect. And the other thing to note is we've actually broken these levels here. This is a weekly right here. The orange ones are weekly and the yellow ones are daily. All right, so we've actually cracked this level. So let's see if we get a retest and fail here and it continues down. Then that's going to be my trade. Okay, guys, take it easy out there in the markets. And with that, hope you have a great day and see you in the next video.